Today we will show you how to carry out a fully automated pressure test using the contraction method in accordance with the current specifications of Worksheet W400-2. In this test, all steps of the test procedure are performed fully automatically by the Smart Memo. The measurement equipment was already explained in a previous video. In addition to the existing setup, the EDS2 automatic drain valve has been added, which is mounted between the pressure relief valve on the test head and the EDS2V. The EDS2 automatic drain valve replaces the manual operation of the ball valve so that the pressure drop test is also carried out automatically. It is essential to note that the EDS2 automatic drain valve must also be fully purged and flushed. To do this, we select the EDS2 automatic drain valve menu item in the Smart Memo and open the internal valve using the F2 key. The flushing process then takes place by switching on the motorized test pump via manual operation. First, we select the correct test method for our pressure test. As this is a PE pipe, we select the menu item W400 contraction method. We then enter the pipe data. We select the material and outer diameter using the F1 and F2 function keys and enter the length of the pipe via the touchscreen. The two arrows above F2 confirm the entry and take us to the next step. Here, further pipe sections can be entered. We have the option to enter up to 3 pipe sections into the device for a pressure test. The next step in the device concerns the settings. Here, you can choose whether the MPP motor test pump should be operated remotely via the Smart Memo. This is only possible if one of the MPP 3030 or MPP 7035 pumps is available and connected to the Smart Memo via the gray data cable. Pressure relief and the permissible relief volume are determined in accordance with the specifications from the regulations and must not be changed. We confirm the specifications using F2 and are thus taken to the pressure test, which we can now start with F2. A window appears asking whether pressure buildup with the MPP should start automatically after the pressure relief phase has elapsed. We can confirm this with F1. During the pressure relief phase, the internal valve of the EDS2 automatic drain can be opened using the F1 key. This is necessary if further flushing or pressure reduction is required. Once the 1-hour pressure release phase has elapsed, the display shows the message, MPP is being prepared, causing the motor test pump to automatically select the menu item, Remote Controlled Test Pressure, to apply pressure to the pipeline. The pressure buildup is shown in the Smart Memo and, according to the regulations, should take place within 10 minutes. As soon as the test pressure is reached, we automatically move on to the next phase of the pressure test. This begins with a message indicating whether the calculated air volume is okay. This very useful additional function can be acquired with the purchase of the motor test pumps mentioned earlier. We now press the F1 key to start the pressure holding phase. Confirmation is not strictly necessary here if the air volume is okay. Automatic confirmation takes place after a few seconds. Over a period of 30 minutes, the set test pressure is automatically maintained via the motor test pump. Once this time has elapsed, the MPP switches off automatically, and the Smart Memo continues the test in the rest phase. The rest phase lasts 1 hour, during which the pressure drop must not exceed 20%, nor fall below 10%. After 1 hour, the Smart Memo automatically switches to the subsequent pressure drop test. In this phase, the EDS2 automatic drain ensures that the specified pressure drop is achieved by gradually opening the valve. At the same time, the volume of water discharged is measured by the EDS2V and displayed on the Smart Memos screen. As soon as the specified target pressure is reached, the EDS2 automatic drain valve closes again automatically. Once the pressure has been reached, the device automatically switches to the next phase, where the criteria from the regulations must be met over a period of 30 minutes during the main test. At the start of the main test, the Smart Memo performs a background check of the discharge volume and displays a message if the values are outside the permissible range. Once the pressure reduction has been documented, a window appears at the end of the pressure test showing the main criteria and an evaluation of the test.